I'm always doing the most. Finish my cup and reload. Let it swing right back. Let it swing right back.
Hey you guys, welcome back to another video. Jeez, I think my voice is going a little bit. So we are going to be using Tracy Lou, Mermaid Dreams and Violet loose glitters. They are all available at glitterplanetuk.com. I'll have them linked for you guys down below if you want to check them out. But in this video, it's going to be a little bit different because I'm going to show you a brief snippet of how I pick up my loose glitters with clear acrylic. So I'm just using the number 10 Nail Mate, one of my favourite brushes, Evs, and the number 10 is just a beautiful size to work with. So this is how our brushes look. They are a flat oval and are pinched at the ferrule area so that the bristles sit and lay really, really nicely. This handle is a short, very, very light handle, so it gives you really nice control when you are applying your product. So I'm going to be using the crystal clear acrylic, obviously, to pick up this glitter. And the reason why we're doing that is because really we don't want to add anything to it, any colour or anything. We're just picking up that glitter to be able to apply it. So that's how I pick up a bead. I'm just picking up a few beads and showing you guys how that looks, because why the heck not? I thought I'd just include a few random bits within this video. So now I'm going to show you, of course, these are the glitters I'm using, and I've picked up my small bead of clear acrylic and I'm just going to basically smush it into the glitter. You don't want to dab it so that it touches the sides or the bottom of the pot, because that's going to be a disaster. You really just want to kind of lightly put it onto the surface of the glitter and then swish. I just kind of like do a circular motion just to make sure that the glitter kind of covers all of the sides of the clear bead of acrylic, if that makes sense. So you dab it in and I just like wipe and make sure that I've got enough product on there. You can work with a much wetter bead if you choose to, but this is basically how I pick up my loose glitters using the Nail Mate acrylic and Glitter Planet glitters. So I'm coming in with Milky Pink, and honestly I'm falling more and more in love with this because it's just absolutely gorgeous. A full set with these would be stunning, just in Milky Pink. It'd look beautiful. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm just applying that to the cuticle area and then blending it down with the tip of my brush so that the acrylic product lies flush. And then I'm coming in with Violet loose glitter, and I picked it up the way that I just showed you guys. I'm placing it on the nail, wiping off my brush. I had a bit of extra glitter there. Wiping off my brush and then just blending down, making sure that this is laying nice and flat, because we are just adding design. You don't really want to add any bulk with glitters because that's going to loosen, or not loosen, sorry, it's going to reduce the strength of the nail, because as you can imagine, say if it was a chunky glitter, between each chunk of those glitter you're going to have less surface area for the acrylic to create any strength. It's just going to be glitters and it's really going to make quite a weak nail. So try to work thin with your glitters as well. I just applied that violet, another bead, and blended it down to the tip, and then I'm coming in with Tracy Lou, and this is a beautiful glitter. It's like a small or finer version of the reflex glitter that we have available on the website. I'm applying it where the violet glitter starts, and I'm pushing it up and then blending it down with my brush, and this honestly looked absolutely stunning. I then flip my brush and blend upwards, just because I don't really like a harsh line where glitter starts, unless I'm intending to do that, of course. So I'm just feathering it out nicely. I then come in with Mermaid Dreams and just apply that over the nail on an angled, or kind of like a swirl. So I just wanted to say as well, guys, I do have a personal Instagram page, which is Lorna's Grid Life. I'll have it on the screen for you guys, and I'll link it in the description box so you guys can check it out if you want to follow along with kind of like planning pictures, everyday family pictures, my house, updates on the business side. It's just going to be really fun, and I can't wait, because although it's lovely having an Instagram for business and nails, I want to be able to look back at memories and my kids. I have so many pictures that I want to share, but I don't feel I can on my nail page, so I thought it was necessary to start using a personal Instagram for memory purposes. So if you want to follow along, you can. If not, I'm kind of doing this for myself anyway, you know what I mean? So I've got something to look back at, because I love looking back. So I really hope you guys have been enjoying my videos and uploads. I feel like I'm so much more organized. I have been using my planner a lot more. I'm so addicted to planning and stationery, so I've decided I'm going to really take time to do it, because it also makes me very happy, you know, like doing my weekly spreads and everything like that. I love sitting down with that and just getting organized. So as you can see, I've definitely got myself organized with all of these uploads. So this is how the nail looks. We're just going to go ahead and encapsulate. So I'm using crystal clear acrylic to encapsulate the entire nail. I will file and buff off camera and then come in and add some art. So I do plan on doing some videos with my planner. I've just recently purchased the Erin Condren Life Planner for 2019-2020. I can't wait to receive it. I may have already received it by now and uploaded a video. Who knows, but I'm so excited to start sharing my planner love with you guys. So next I'm coming with the white silly string gel. This is also available on my website, and it's super stringy and can get so messy, so definitely take care with this product. I'm just using a dotting tool, and before applying any top coat I'm going to apply the silly string. So this is just how I like to apply it. I've seen so many different methods of applying this product, but I find that this is the least messy application for me personally. I just like to get a dotting tool and plop it into my product and string it over the top, and just do that as many times as you want to create the effect that you want. And when you're happy with it, obviously make sure you wipe the sides so that you haven't got any bulk there on the tip, and then you can top coat. So I forgot to mention, this product does need curing in a UV or LED lamp for either 60 seconds in the LED or 2 minutes in a UV light, and then you will need to top coat it as well. So now that I'm happy with that design, I'm coming in with super gloss, and this is the old label. We have new labels now, because I always want, I don't know, that label I just wasn't feeling, so I have a new style label for the products, and I think they look absolutely stunning. So yeah, we are applying super gloss, and then I'm going to cure in the light for 60 seconds, and then that's the final result. So I really hope you've enjoyed this video. Hopefully you learned something from it. It wasn't a super long video, but it should be informative and, I don't know, a little bit educational, I suppose. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and I hope you guys really did enjoy it. Always remember that you are bomb.com, let's fuck, and don't ever let anyone tell you any different, because you've got this and I love you. Mwah. Bye.
I'm always doing the most. Finish my cup and reload. Let it swing right back. Let it swing right back.